Application in subtraction. In the process of subtraction, instead of subtracting 9876 from a number at 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively to the number to get the difference. Symbolically, minus 9 plus 1, minus 8 plus 2, minus 7 plus 3, minus 6 plus 4. Note, supplementary rule of subtraction. If the digit in the subtrahend is 1, 2, 3, 4 more than the digit in the minuend, then the digit 9, 8, 7, 6 will respectively appear in the difference. Symbolically, 1 more plus 9, 2 more 8, 3 more 7, 4 more 6. For every addition of 1, 2, 3 or 4, there is a borrowing of 1. For every application of the supplementary rule, there is a borrowing of 1. Illustration. Illustrations. Minus 9 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 8 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 7 plus 3. 5 plus 3, 8. 2 minus 1, 1. Minus 6 plus 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 3 minus 1, 2. Subtrahend is 1 more than the minuend, therefore 9 appears. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 more 9. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 more 8. 4 minus 1, 3. 2 more 8. 2 minus 1, 1.
So
3 more.
So 8 kachena khragre jiji mahang mala.
Kajita.
Ari explain this as your first wiki.
Kajita. 8 wa.
Anywhere.
He 8 khra here.
6 plus 2 and khra nahi jilla nimla.
He bai ra. He ba tung ba je. He bai. He bai here in he explains ha ne je. In it how pok mi ne how pok. He minuend here. He ba subtrahing he na minuend li 1 more than 9 appears ha jira.
Okay.
Jena he 1 more. He 2 more ka 8 jira. He 2 more say. 2 more jika minuend here. He subtrahend he na minuend li. Ya khanim dai jira. He ba he ku khai na he how pok hai. 3 more 7. 1 minus 1, 0. 3 more 7. 2 minus 1, 1. 4 more 6. 4 minus 1, 3. 4 more 6. 3 minus 1, 2. 4 more 6. 4 minus 1, 3. Minus 8 plus 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 more 8. 5 minus 1, 4. 3 more 7. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 3 more 7. 5 minus 1, 4. 2 more 8. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 more 8. 6 minus 1, 5. 3 more 7. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. 1 more 9. 3 minus 1, 2. 3 more 7. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 more 8. 5 minus 1, 4. 1 more 9. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 1 more 9. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 more 6. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 more 9. 7 minus 1, 6. 2 more 8. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 more 7. 8 minus 1, 7. 1 more 9. 7 minus 1, 6. 1 more 9. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 minus 4, 1. Minus 8 plus 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 4 more 6. 3 minus 1, 2. 4 more 6. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 more 9. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 more 8. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 more 8. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 minus 1, 4. 1 more 9. 8 minus 1, 7. 1 more 9. 7 minus 1, 6. 1 more 9. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 minus 3, 2. 3 more 7. 4 minus 1, 3. 2 more 8. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. 6 minus 3, 3. 1 more 9. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 more 8. 8 minus 1, 7. 2 more 8. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 minus 5, 1. 3 more 7. 7 minus 1, 6. 1 more 9. 8 minus 1, 7. 1 more 9. 9 minus 1, 8. 8 minus 6, 2. 3 more 7. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 more 8. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 1, 3. Application in division. In this method, one very important characteristic is that the student need not memorize the times table. In this method, we write the first 10 multiples of the multiplier on the right hand side of the answer. We write the first 10 multiples of the multiplier 9 on the right hand side of the answer. Plus 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1, 8. Carry over 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 8 minus 1, 7. 1 plus 1, 2. 6 minus 7 minus 1, 6. 2 plus 1, 3. 6 minus 1, 5. 3 plus 1, 4. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 4 minus 1, 3. 5 plus 1, 6. 3 minus 1, 2. 6 plus 1, 7. 2 minus 1, 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 minus 1, 0. 8 plus 1, 9. The nearest multiple less than 12 is 9, which is the first multiple, so we write here 1 and write here 9. Minus 9 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. Bring down the next digit, 3. The nearest multiple less than 33 is 27, which is the third multiple. Write 3 here and write 27 here. 4 more 6. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Bring down the next digit, that is 4. The nearest multiple less than 64 is 63, which is the 7 digits, 7th multiple. Therefore, we write here 7 and write here 63. 4 minus 3, 1. 6 minus 6, 0. Bring down the next digit, 5. The nearest multiple less than 15 is 9, which is the first multiple. You write it 1 and write here 9. Minus 9 plus 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 1 minus 1, 0. Bring down the next digit, 6. The nearest multiple less than 66 is 63, which is the 7th multiple. You write here 7 and you write here 63. 6 minus 3, 3. Therefore, the quotient is 13717, and the remainder is 3. Here we write the first 10 multiples of 78 on the right hand side of the answer. Plus 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 0 plus 8, 8. 8 minus 2, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 6 is less than 8. 7 plus 1, 8. Plus 8 minus 2. 5 minus 2, 7 minus 2, 5. Carry over 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 5 minus 2, 3. 1 plus 1, 2. 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 8, 9. No carryover. 9 minus 2, 7. 3 plus 1, 4. 7 minus 2, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. The nearest multiple less than 98 is 78, which is the first multiple. We write here 1. Write here 78. 8 minus 8, 0. 9 minus 7, 2. Bring down the next digit, 7. The nearest multiple less than 207 is 156, which is the second multiple. You write here 2 and write here 156. 7 minus 6, 1. Borrow 1 from 2. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Bring down the next digit, 6. The nearest multiples less than 516 is 468, which is the sixth multiple. Write 6 here, write 468 here. 2 more 8. 1 minus 1, 0. minus 6 plus 4, 0 plus 4, 4, 5 minus 1, 4, 4 minus 4, 0. You bring down the next digit 5. The nearest multiple less than 486 is 468, which is the 6th multiple. So right here 6 and right here 468. 3 more 7. 8 minus 1, 7. 7 minus 6, 1. 4 minus 4, 0. Bring down the next digit 4. The nearest multiple which is less than 174 is 156, which is the second multiple right here 2. 156. 2 more 8. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 minus 5, 1. Bring down the next digit 3. The nearest multiple less than 183 is 156, which is the second multiple. Write 2 here and 156. 3 more 7. 8 minus 1, 7. 7 minus 5, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. Bring down the next digit 2. The nearest multiple less than 272 is 234, which is the third multiple. Right here 234. 2 more 8. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 minus 3, 3. Bring down the next digit 1. The nearest multiple less than 381 is 312, which is the fourth multiple. Write 4 here and 312. 1 more 9. 8 minus 1, 7. 7 minus 1, 6. 3 minus 3, 0. Bring down the next digit 0. The nearest multiple less than 690 is 624, which is the 8th multiple. You write here 8 here and 624. 4 more 6. 8, 9 minus 1, 8. 8 minus 2, 6. Here. 4 more 6. 8, 9 minus 1, 9 minus 1, 8. 8 minus 2, 6. Therefore, the quotient is 1, 2, 6, 6, 2, 2, 3, 4, 8. And the remainder is 6, 6. Now we write the first 10 multiples of the multiplier of the divisor. 7, 8, 9. Plus 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1, 8. 8 minus 1, 7. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 8 is less than 9. 8 plus 1, 9. Plus 9 minus 1. 8 minus 1, 7. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 plus 9, 9. 7 is less than 8. 7 plus 1, 8. Plus 8 minus 2. 7 minus 2, 5. Carry over 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 5 minus 2, 3. 1 plus 1, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 8, 9. No carryover. 9 minus 2, 7. 3 plus 1, 4. 7 minus 2, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. 5 plus 1, 6. 3 minus 2, 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 1 plus 7, 8. No carryover. The nearest multiple less than 987 is 789, which is the first multiple. We write 1 here, we write here 789. 2 more 8. 8 minus 1, 7. 1 more 9. 9 minus 1, 8. 8 minus 7, 1. Bring down the next digit, 6. The nearest multiple less than 1986 is 1578, which is the second multiple. You write here 2 here, you write here 1578. 2 more 8. 8 minus 1, 7. 7 minus 7, 0. 9 minus 5, 4. 1 minus 1, 0. Bring down the next digit, 5. The nearest multiple less than 4085 is 3945, which is the fifth multiple. So we write here 5 and we write here 3945. 5 minus 5, 0. 8 minus 4, 4. Minus 9 plus 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Bring down the next digit, 4. The nearest multiple less than 1404 is 789. So we write, which is the first multiple, we write 1 here and we write here 789. Minus 9 plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5. Borrow 1 from 4. 0 becomes 10. Then minus 1, 9. 9 minus 8, 1. 4 minus 1, 3. 4 more, 6. 1 minus 1, 0. Bring down the next digit, 3. The nearest multiple less than 6153 is 5523, which is the seventh multiple. You write 7 here and you write here 5523. 3 minus 3, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. 3. 4 more, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Bring down the next digit, 2. The nearest multiple less than 6302 is 5523, which is the seventh multiple. You write 7 here and you write here 5523. 1 more, 9. Borrow 1 from 3, 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 2, 7. 3 minus 1, 2. 3 more, 7. 5 minus 1, 6 minus 1, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Bring down next digit 1. The nearest multiple less than 791 is 7101, which is the ninth multiple. You write 9 here, you write here 7101. 1 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 9 minus 0, 9. 7 minus 1, 6. Bring down the next digit 0. The nearest multiple less than 6900 is 6318, which is the 8th multiple. You write 8 here and write here 6312. 2 more, 8. Borrow 1 from 9. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 1, 8. 8 minus 3, 5. 6 minus 6, 0. Bring down the... okay. Now we put here 0 and then put a decimal here. The nearest multiple less than 5880 is 5523, which is the 7th multiple. You write here 7 and you write here 5523. 3 more, 7. 8 minus 1, 7. 7 minus 2, 5. 8 minus 5, 3. Put here 0. Nearest multiple of 3570 is less than 3570 is 3146, which is the 4th multiple. You write 4 here and write here 3156. 4 more. Okay, minus 6 plus 4. 0 plus 4, 4. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 minus 5, 1. 5 minus 1, 4. Bring down 0 here. Write 0 here. The nearest multiple less than 4140 is 3945, which is the 5th multiple. You write 5th here and write here 3945. Borrow 1 from 4. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 1, 3. 1 more, 9. 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 9 plus 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 3 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Therefore, the quotient is 1251798.745 ... The third decimal place is 5 or more. Therefore, we add 1 to the second decimal place. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Therefore, the quotient correct to 2 decimal place is 1251778.75 approximately. This demonstration is an extract of my book, The New Strategy, Teaching and Learning of Mathematics. The book is slated to be released shortly. Thank you for watching.